You did not do it with your own sword and bow. So I gave you a land on which you did not toil, and cities you did not build. And you live in them and eat from vineyards and olive groves that you did not plant. Now fear the Lord and serve him with all faithfulness. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Holy God, he is a jealous God. We will serve